So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys just a little bit of a hint on the tortoise and hare problem. I always suggest making a little table. It kind of helps to, I don't know, just break it up a little bit more. So both the tortoise and the hare, D represents the distance, R is my rate or speed, T is my time. Now, the tortoise and the hare both took a 21-meter race, according to the word problem. Now, it tells us a few things. It tells us that the tortoise leaves 9 minutes of 4, and then later on it tells us, so the tortoise has a 9-minute head start, and yet the hare still finishes before the tortoise, so the tortoise also gets there 3 minutes later. So that means that the tortoise took a total of 12 extra minutes on this trip. Now, notice the speed, it says it's 0.5. They talk about the speed and they talk about it in meters per hour. This is in minutes. So 12 is the same thing as 12 over 60, which is, well, if we convert it to an hour, I should say, which is 0.2. I'm just going to put it as 0.2 hours. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say I don't know my tortoise's speed. We're going to say the tortoise is going X meters per hour. The tortoise is going for Y hours, and then the hare, let's do the time. The hare is faster, so that means the hare's time, you just take off the time it took the tortoise, so take off that 0.2 hours. Then we also know that the hare is faster, has a faster speed by 0.5 meters per hour. So I'm going to do the tortoise's speed plus that 0.5 to get the hare's speed. All right. And in the end, all we really need are the speeds of each one. So really my focus is to get X by itself first. And then once I find X, I will then just be able to find the hare speed super fast. So next thing you'd want to do is go ahead and set up two equations. We've got 21 is equal to X times Y. That comes from this right here. And then the other one is 21 equals X plus 0.5 times Y minus 0.2. And that comes from this section, because distance is rate times time. As just one other further hint for you guys, I would suggest taking the Y, solve for Y, and then plug that 21 over X in for the Y. So we have 21 equals X plus 0.5 times 21 over X minus 0.2. I would go ahead and FOIL, and then you will still have decimals. I don't love decimals. I know you don't either, but I'm going to let you guys do the rest of this. You're going to go ahead and FOIL, and if you need to multiply toward the end, once some things cancel out, just multiply by a number that will get rid of those decimals. It will actually factor cleanly in the end, so best of luck.